Pradesh, where there seems to have been a dramatic drop in cases and deaths. But however, let's just look at what has also been the state-wise death rates. And this is, of course, a worry because 2-week deaths have more than doubled in 12 states, mainly in the northeast. Now, the absolute numbers are low, but the percentage rise is high. So you can see in Arunachal, Tripura, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, doubling of deaths in the last 2 weeks, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Assam, which are the other states, are plateauing in a sense, though Tamil Nadu still is seeing high deaths, as is Puducherry and Karnataka. But of course, as I said, UP is the big story where there's been a huge drop in cases and deaths. But when we did this reality check from Noida and Uttar Pradesh, we found the official figures completely contradicted what the cremation figures are actually showing.
This is Noida's only official COVID-dedicated crematorium. For the past few days, there have been about 20 funerals a day, a figure which is in sharp contrast to the official death count in this district. According to official data, on the 19th of May, only 5 COVID deaths in the entire district. But when NDTV checked the records of the crematorium, we found that 20 cremations were listed.
Right now I'm sitting in the crematorium of Sector 94, Noida, and this is the register where they maintain data of cremations. And yesterday it was 19/5/2021. And according to the official data of UP government, and only 5 were cremated, but according to this register, there are 20 cremations are mentioned here.
It was a similar pattern on other days. 7 COVID deaths reported on Monday by 19 crematoriums, 5 on Tuesday, but 22 actual cremations. In all, official data shows 17 deaths, but actual cremations were 61, over 3 times higher. The medical officer in charge of the district told NDTV that it may seem like a mismatch, but people come from nearby districts. If some die, then they are also cremated here. However, the crematorium documents list the hospitals where the COVID victims have been brought from.
This data is from the only COVID crematorium center of Noida, which is in Sector 94. We don't know, there are several people who are taking their loved ones who died due to COVID to their villages, where they are cremating themselves in their crematorium places, which is just outside the villages of Gautam Buddha Nagar. And there are a lot of people who are taking bodies to their native towns in other cities of Uttar Pradesh and in Bihar. But one thing is very clear, that the data we are getting every day from UP government is totally false. Reality on ground is totally different. In Noida, with Ashok Mahale, Saurabh Shukla for NDTV.